First of all, Pakistan is not following Islam. Are you joking?
I'm saying not Pakistan have 90% Muslim. Muslim means follow Islam.
But Muslim, what Muslim? What Muslim? I remember 15 years ago, it's not today and I heard it's worse, 15 years ago I remember going to a wedding in Pakistan. A wedding where men and women were mixing freely, where the bride was dancing on the stage with all the male members of the family dancing on the stage. I'm sure somewhere around, we probably hidden in a corner then, but I hear now it's open, drinking alcohol. What Muslim are we talking about? This was 15 years ago. Now I hear it's even worse. Oh yes, they're Islam. When the bride and the groom are walking to the car, they're holding the Quran over their head for blessing. That Islam? That's not Islam. What Islam is that? That's exactly the thing I'm talking about. That's why the Muslims are in such a mess. Because of this nonsense, this hypocrisy, actually they are insulting the Quran by doing that. Amongst all of this haram, they think that the Quran holding it over the head is going to bless them because they're holding it. What is that?